The chain slack needs to be between 15 and 25 millimeters, or 9/16 to 1 inch. So let's measure mine right now and figure out where we're at so that we know how much we need to adjust. So that's 1 centimeter, 15 millimeters, 20, 25. So as you can see, there is too much slack. Okay, so the first step is to loosen the axle nut, and we can use a breaker bar. That will make our lives a lot easier because of the additional leverage that we have, but you can use something smaller. Okay. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to loosen the lock nut for the adjuster, which is this one right here. This is a 17 millimeter nut. Okay, that's out. We need to do the other side as well, of course. Next, we're going to start making the adjustment. And this is a 5 millimeter hex. Do it in quarter turn increments and do it the same on both sides. Let's measure now to see what the adjustment made. We're at 9 centimeters. If I push up, that's 1 centimeter, that is 15. So between 15 and 17. I am happy with that. So let's tighten everything back up. So we're going to put the lock nut back on. All right, I'm going to do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, next we're going to torque down the axle nut. Now a point about the torque. The torque for the lock nut over here is 15 foot-pounds, and the axle nut is 74 foot-pounds, if you want to write that down somewhere. Okay, axle nut is on and torqued. Let's take a measurement one more time. One and a half. Good to go. Have a great day, guys.